What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I'm on top of the container conversion. I'm letting down the staircase up here by myself. My guy should be coming here in a minute, but I wanted to go and get it started. Not hard, using some of my iron working tools. See, I got my come along here. I got me a scrap there, and I got me a safety device scraps, because I always like to have an extra one as you laying it down as a fall safe, so that way you know you can catch it still if anything happen to happen. So show you kind of how I got it lit up as I go. You can kind of see. And this is just utilizing my iron working skills. And what I do, after I get it down so far like it is now, I go down there and kick that bottom out, then let it down some more. I have to repeat that process until I get somebody in. But right now, like I say, it's going. Just wanted to give y'all the update, let you kind of know what I'm doing. Hold on.